So hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the HypeSquad badge in Discord. So as you can see, I have the HypeSquad Brilliance badge. And if you want to remove that, you just need to go to your user settings here on the lower left corner. Once you click on that, just scroll down below till you see the HypeSquad here. Once you're there, you just need to scroll down. So as you can see, I'm currently on HypeSquad. You're in HypeSquad. Just scroll down here and when you see this, don't want to be hype anymore, leave the HypeSquad. So just click on that. And as you can see, I am now on HypeSquad. And just click on escape and go to your profile. And as you can see, I have no badges whatsoever from the HypeSquad. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.